Hey guys, so today we're just going to Ocean Beach. Here's my outfit. Here. Yeah. Got some shoes, obviously. The blue. They have flowers on them. Yeah, so my party was really good. We were all literally sweating there. Spent most of my time in the bouncy castle bit because the actual ninja bit isn't really that good. Well, it is good, but it's just really small, so yeah. Got my 9 badge. Looks like an upside down 6. We've got 5 minutes till we're there.
No, 8.
Oh, 8 minutes. Look like a 5 from here. 8 minutes. Look at my mum's sat nav, so yeah. Got little clips. My friend got me from them. I also have £30 because one of my friends gave me £10, and then my other friend gave me 5, and then my other friend gave me 10 and a 5. So 15, and then another 15 is 30. Yeah. I might get some Robux with that. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna just record again when we get there. So bye.